Gamers, creators, power users meet the laptop that crushes limits. Presenting the Razer Blade 16, powered by the insane RTX 4090 and Intel's 14th Gen i9-14900HX. This beast is built for those who demand the absolute best. Design and build, crafted in a sleek black aluminum unibody, the Blade 16 looks premium and feels ultra-durable. At just 0.87 inches thin, it packs more power per cubic inch than any other 16-inch gaming laptop. Plus, you get all the essential ports: Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, 3x USB-A, HDMI 2.1, and even a UHS-2 SD card reader. Display: feast your eyes on the 16-inch OLED QHD plus 240Hz display. With lightning-fast 0.2 milliseconds response time, VISA ClearMR 11000, and display HDR 500, it delivers rich colors, crisp details, and minimal motion blur. Ideal for competitive gaming or high-end content creation. Performance powerhouse: under the hood, you get the monstrous Intel Core i9-14900HX with 24 cores and up to 5.8 GHz turbo boost. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 and you're looking at desktop-grade performance on the go. It even supports overclock mode via Razer Synapse. Battery: the Razer Blade 16 packs a 95.2 Wh battery, great for a high-performance gaming laptop. Expect solid hours for work and short gaming bursts, plus fast charging with Thunderbolt 4 support. Keyboard: the Per-Key RGB keyboard powered by Razer Chroma looks stunning and feels smooth with 1mm travel, anti-ghosting, and N-key rollover, perfect for gaming or typing. Add a precision glass touchpad and you've got comfort and control in one sleek setup. Cooling system: performance means nothing without cooling, and Razer delivers. The vapor chamber cooling system with 0.5mm exhaust fins and NASBIS insulation keeps your keyboard cool, dropping temps by up to 12 degrees Celsius under load. Features that matter: customize every key with Razer Chroma RGB, tap into SnapTap for ultra-responsive in-game movement, enjoy blazing fast Wi-Fi 7, and log in securely with the Windows Hello IR webcam. Storage and RAM: it comes with a massive 2TB NVMe SSD, 32GB DDR5 RAM, upgradable up to 96GB. What's in the box? In the box, you get the Razer Blade 16, a microfiber cleaning cloth, power adapter, and your regional power cord, all neatly packed and ready for battle. Final thoughts: the Razer Blade 16 with RTX 4090 isn't just a laptop, it's a portable powerhouse for gaming, content creation, and everything in between. If you want premium, uncompromising performance, this is it. Ready to level up? Tap the link in the description to grab your Razer Blade 16 today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic tech reviews.